Trespass to chattels, intentionally interfering with another's personal property, causing dispossession or harm or reduction in value. And what's our remedy? Actual harm, not full value of the chattel. Okay, intentionally, purpose, knowledge, substantial factor. Interference, meaning you're interfering with the right of possession to the chattel. There are two kinds of interference. Intermeddling, meaning there is some damage or harm to the chattel, or dispossession, meaning the defendant deprives the plaintiff of lawful possession. So, intentionally interfering with another's personal property, interfering with the right of what? The right of possession of another's personal property, causing intermeddling, harm, or dispossession. And our remedy is to recover for actual harm to the chattel. Never what? Full value. Intentionally, purpose, knowledge, substantial factor. Interfering, right of possession, with another's personal property, causing by intermeddling, harming it, or dispossession. It causes a reduction in value of the chattel. It doesn't destroy the chattel, so that's why you can recover for actual harm. The difference between trespass to chattels and conversion is the degree of interference and the degree of harm. If you see in the facts that there's some sort of ding to the car or some sort of minor harm that can be repaired, then the defendant is liable for the harm to the chattel, but you can't have them replace the car. They have not converted the chattel. They have harmed the chattel, or they dispossessed. Dispossession means for a shorter length of time. So they didn't completely steal the car and convert it to their own use. Okay, trespass to chattels, intentional interference with another's personal property, the right of possession, causing dispossession or what? Harm, resulting in destruction? No, just reduction in value. And our remedy is recovery for actual harm. Okay, one thing, a mistake of fact doesn't negate the dispossession factor. If you think you're taking your own coat, but instead you take another's coat, your mistake of fact is irrelevant. It doesn't negate the dispossession. You still took someone else's coat. All right, trespass to chattels, intentional interference with another's personal property, causing dispossession or harm, meaning reduction in value. Remedy is recovery for actual harm, never full value. And our mistake of fact, thought it was yours, took someone else's, is irrelevant.